So I'm going to try to fix this painting my sister bought by putting the actual painting back in the frame properly. It fell through when we picked it up. And I'm going to use one of my new favorite toys. It's the DeWalt 18 gauge Brad Nailer. So I put some brads in it and we're going to test shooting a few and see how it goes and go from there. That worked very well. So you can see it went good penetration and it's in and it's not pulling out. So we'll just kind of follow where the ones are that came out. I cut them off so they wouldn't be in the way. And it's doing a great job. I'm just going to check from the underside, make sure we're not penetrating or anything. And then we'll just go all the way around. So the whole painting is shifted towards the top. Must have always been that way since this side didn't come out, so I know it didn't move within the frame at all. That's pretty good. Let's try one more here. That's good. And then I can get that one out. Alright, so now we'll pick it up and see what we've got after I cut this off. Oh, just pulled it all the way through. Alright, let's take a look. Excellent. We're all the way to the edge. Feels sturdy. Probably as good or better than it started. So next we'll get it hung and show the final product. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments section below, or if you have tips and tricks and better ways of doing it, I'm always interested in learning something new. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I really hope you enjoy this channel because there's going to be a lot of different content. Thank you so much.